Hi class, let's talk about the two types of fogs that form by adding water vapor to the air. The first one is called steam fog, and typically these will occur at nighttime under conditions kind of similar to radiation fogs. So you want clear skies, and clear skies will allow radiational cooling to take place. So say equals radiational cooling, and so the Earth's surface is cooling off, the air is getting denser, and this will allow then the air, after it cools off, that denser air flows down over relatively warm water. And so, any lake that we have in Wisconsin would be a good example of where this might happen. So here we've got relatively warm water body. And so this type of fog is very common in August and September. So about every August my family goes on vacation in northern Wisconsin, and that's when the lakes are going to be at their warmest in August and September. So you've got a relatively warm water body. Nighttime, the skies are clear, you get radiational cooling taking place. And so this cool air is going to drain down onto the water surface. Okay, so you've got nice cool air over now a relatively warm water body. And as a result, you're going to get some evaporation taking place. So evaporation from this water surface is going to saturate the air above it. Saturates the cool air above. And basically what you've done is you've increased the mixing ratio. You've increased the mixing ratio to the point where it equals the saturation mixing ratio. And at that point, you start to form a steam fog. Okay, and these steam fogs, very common. You'll see them on any lake in Wisconsin. You'll actually see them in ponds off to the side of the road. These are very shallow fogs. Okay? So the characteristics, I keep doing that. So characteristics are that it's a very shallow fog. That quickly evaporates in the air. So these are never dense fogs at all. These quickly re-evaporate in the air. So if you are someone who likes to go fishing early in the morning, you have encountered these steam fogs, I'm sure, all the time. By the time the sun rises, it doesn't take very long at all for these steam fogs to dissipate. So that's the first fog that forms by adding water vapor to the air, therefore increasing the mixing ratio until it reaches the saturation mixing ratio. So that's the first of the two. We'll cover the second of the two fogs in just a minute.